Okay. So we're up. We have the.
This one actually, this came out of the water department.
We have 4 dials here at the 1888 Bordentown clock.
And if anybody asks, I don't know where it is.
Looking at the motion works, it appears to be quite gummed up. Now we have some shields up here. I'm not, honestly not sure what they are. If they actually think that they're, you know, dissipating any dust, I just don't think it's working.
So the panels are very deep.
Um,
I'm gonna reinforce it. I'm gonna put a
Structurally speaking,
like 1 by all the way around.
I'm feeling pretty good about this. And I can tell you that the dials are taking a beating here. I'm going to test those rubber grommets holding the dials in.
Building 1888 lumber.
I just see a lot of
And I'd be willing to bet.
a lot of pigeon dirt here. I'm not sure where it's coming in, so we're going to have to look into that also. But I think we're good. And we're going to take a look down.
I mean, there have been repairs made to it.